Alright, as always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on tools and parts I use in today's project. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to replace this blower motor. And this is a 2010 Nissan Altima with a 3.5 liter. And first thing we got to do is take this glove box out. And you can see a hole there, there, and there. There's 3 at the top. There's 2 inside. 1, 2, and then there's 3 at the bottom. 1, there's 1 in the middle, and then 3. So you take all 8 of those out, and then you just pull. It's gonna feel like it doesn't want to come out, but you will just pop it out, and this whole thing will come out, and then we'll be able to see your blower motor right here. Now, first thing I'm gonna do is verify that the blower motor is actually messed up. The way we're gonna do that, you can see, looks like we got a control wire in the center. Then we have a negative and a positive. So I'm gonna send power to that positive and see if the blower motor activates. If it does, then I know, hey, there's probably a different problem. But if it does nothing, then I'll know, hey, you know, it's probably a bad blower motor. So I'm gonna check on that and we'll get back to it. All right, so this is my power probe. So you got power, negative. What I'm gonna do is I will probe the power wire, and I've already actually probed it. And so I'll stick it right in there, and we'll see. I'm getting close to negative. I send it power, and it's not doing anything. So should get negative, positive. This thing should crank on, and that is not happening. So we know the blower motor is bad. Now, we've got some screws. We've got one there, we've got one back here, and one right there. So we're gonna remove those screws. We'll disconnect this electrical connector. Just a push. I'm gonna stick a flathead screwdriver right up under there and then pop this electrical connector out, and then we should just drop down our blower motor. All right, so I just took my screwdriver, I pushed like right there, and then pried out, got the connector out. Now I'll take my Milwaukee little impact here with the screw in there, and I'll just zap that out, and I'll zap all 3 of those out and drop the blower motor. Right now I'm getting that last screw, and you see it's just wanting to come down as I take it out. And that's it, guys. Boom. Out with the old, and once I get that new one in, I'll be in with the new, and I'll have, of course, a link in the video description for one of these, and of course a power probe so you can check it, and a sweet little Milwaukee gun over there. So the install is just going to be the reverse removal. Take your new one, set up in there, start your little screws, zap your screws back up in there, and that's it. So not too bad of a job. This thing, of course, it'll snap back in there, then put your screws back in, and you'll be good to go. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Also, guys, I just thought I'd add, I found a little something. I don't really want to show it because I don't know YouTube's policy on whatever, but I found a mouse in the blower motor. So that is what caused it to stop. So anyways, we'll get that swapped out if something gets caught up in there. And that's actually, you know, it's actually pretty common thing. A critter will get in there, lock it up, or they'll build a nest. I've seen it before, and lock it up. It scared the poop out of me though, because I looked down, I'm like, ah, it's a mouse, and I was like, oh, it's dead. So anyways, that's what caused it. So I thought y'all might find that interesting. Anyways, thanks for watching.